In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on GitHub branch switching in Lovable AI. By the end, you'll be able to flip a simple toggle that lets you move between your GitHub branches directly inside Lovable, which is great for previewing feature work, testing fixes, and keeping your review flow tidy. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable. You're looking for the official Lovable site. Click through to the Lovable website and sign into your account. If you're already authenticated, you'll land on your dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization where your projects live, especially if you collaborate across multiple teams. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the lower left corner of the screen. Click your profile area there. It's typically your avatar or your initials. A small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you into the configuration pages for your account and, depending on your permissions, your workspace. If you manage multiple workspaces, confirm you're adjusting settings for the one tied to the repositories you use with Lovable. Inside Settings, find and click the Labs section. Labs is where Lovable places experimental or early access capabilities, so you can try them before they're broadly released. The interface can evolve over time, so don't worry if the layout looks slightly different. Just make sure you're in Labs. In the Labs page, look for the option labeled Git Branch Switching. When you find it, click the toggle to turn it on. You should see a visual indicator that the feature is enabled, such as the switch changing color or the status reading On. That's it. The feature is now active for your account within this workspace. Here's what enabling it does for you. With Git branch switching on, Lovable will surface a branch picker in relevant project areas, letting you view or work against different GitHub branches connected to that project. It respects the branches that already exist in your GitHub repository and doesn't create or delete anything. It simply changes which branch context Lovable uses, so you can review changes, validate behavior, and compare outcomes more easily. If you don't see the Labs tab or the Git branch switching option, it may be controlled by your organization's admin, limited to certain plans, or still rolling out. Also, this feature is most useful when your Lovable project is connected to a GitHub repository with active branches. And that's the process. Search for Lovable, sign in, open your profile menu, go to Settings, head to Labs, and turn on Git branch switching. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother branch review workflow in Lovable AI.